Good afternoon, everyone. This is the old Ellington Railroad Depot building, 1881. It served through 1914, and it is located here in historic downtown Hillsboro, Texas. Okay, this is your Ellington building here in downtown Hillsboro, Texas. Founded and built in 1881. And what's interesting about this building is it was one of the first ones here built around the courthouse around the time when this city was incorporated, that same year in 1881. Obviously, the building now does not look like it's occupied by any current businesses, and it does have the fancy original dates on top of the sign there. If you can see it, from 1881 to 1914.